Wagwan YouTube. It's your boy, man, the myth, the legend, David Tickholm, aka Saucy Day. Back with a road to six figures vid where I break down my trades and I show the things that I'm learning. We gonna make it nice and clean this week. To begin the week, we start the week at started this week April 1st. No April Fools. Yeah, we just gonna let that fly. So boom, as we can see, 200 going underneath, 15-minute 200 underneath, 5-minute 200 cutting through. So boom, let's see. So my first move, I tried to take a liquidity grab. As we could see, price was extremely high. There was gaps to fill in at the bottom. 200 was cutting through price. The only thing was that I got in a little too early. Once it came back up, I got in once again off the 1-minute supply, as we can see, with a 5-minute supply as well, but low probability. But I could see it was like a clear liquidity grab just being shown on the 5-minute. Trusted it again, and I seen how much cash we had to the bottom, as well as if we notice on the 5-minute, it was coming up, kind of made like a double top right here. 200 cutting through, like I said, and I went for a 1-to-1 and I left the runner. No, actually, I don't even think. Actually, no, I went for way more than a 1-to-1. I was just grabbing liquidity based on what the 5-minute was showing me. I was grabbing all of this. I was filling in all the gaps. So as soon as it stopped filling in all the gaps and touched this demand area, I just got out the trade, and that's how I won on April 1st. No April Fools. So to keep it going, let's see, Tuesday, I don't believe I took any trade Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I didn't see anything Tuesday. The reason why I didn't see anything, as we can see, price was just billowing, like dropping. It didn't really show any pullbacks or opportunity to get in, so I didn't take none. What I will note, on days like this, when we're not seeing anything on a pair such as the NASDAQ, we can do one of two things. We can either choose not to have this day be a trading day, or we may take a peek at another pair like gold or S&P 500 or oil, one of those three. But that's only on days when we can clearly see like the market is just dropping. It's not showing any potential or any type of moves when it's just plummeting like this. So no trades were taken on that day. Came back Wednesday, 200 over the top. As we can see, had a lot of gaps to fill up above. No price action below. I go to the 15-minute 200 over the top, 5-minute 200 over the top. And with this one, as we can see, I took it after New York Open. I got to start paying attention to that, because that's when it gives time for liquidity grabs, as we can see right here. However, I wasn't looking at that. I was looking at a 5-minute move with the 200 cutting through. I seen that it formed a supply, though, a nice break of structure, and it tapped my zone. It gave a break. It gave a break of candle right there, as we could see. I was going for my 1-to-1, but the 1-to-1 didn't hit. And looking back, it kind of tapped a support area. But other than that, I didn't really see anything. And we had a lot of gaps at the top. But as we can see, we're getting clear structure going down still. And then I re-entered on another break of candle. And price still shot up. As we can see, let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, there was no room to really take anything. Yeah, there wasn't really any room to take anything. It was just a reversal. There was gaps to fill in above, which was a risky play on my part, trying to take supplies when we were so low. However, I saw clear break of structure, seen we had a high probability supply, and I took it. And as long as my risk management is cool, this is not a horrible trade. This is a pretty good trade. The only thing I would have thought about is if it was trying to grab liquidity, but 200 was still above, even though it was cutting through. It was still above the price where we were trading at. So that's why I decided to take it. The second move, sometimes when the first doesn't work, the second move will work. And this was just one of them plays where both of them were losing trades, and you got to just live with that. So that's what I did. Let's move on to Thursday. I think Thursday was another day when I didn't really take any trades. As you can see, Thursday I didn't really take anything from what I could see. Because once again, price just it just tanked. Like, I didn't really see anything too clearly. Yeah, I didn't really take anything. So let's move to Friday. Friday finally got something. So we can see a lot of gaps to fill in. Although 200 is still, 200 still above, we clearly see that there's so much gaps to be filled in. We have a high probability supply yet to be tapped. We're gonna see if it still approaches that this upcoming week. 15-minute, 200 up top. 5-minute, as we can see, 200 is starting to pull up to the bottom, and we're starting to see some structure. As you can see, this is still before the time when we get up. Boom, boom, boom. We're seeing the price play out. And as you can see, break of structure. Came back. We got a minor break. And I know you're probably like, wait, you didn't really see much. And yeah, what made me take this one was seeing the 200 on the bottom. Another one was that this was a nice demand. Once I seen that this breaker candle, I didn't take this. I took this breaker candle. I waited patiently. I waited till after. I think there was news. I waited till after news, and I got in that trade, and then I got out. Took my 1-to-1. I got out. Obviously, we could see that it tapped another demand at past my trading time, and it shot off again, which is amazing, just to show you that Nas will give you moves. You just got to be patient, and you got to wait on them and capitalize when you see them. So that's the biggest thing that we're still learning. And iron sharpens iron, and experience is the best teacher. So the more we get comfortable and used to seeing these moves, executing it with proper risk management, following your trading plan, the results will show itself. You know what I'm saying? The results will start to sprout, but you have to stay disciplined. You have to, no matter how much money you're making, some days will be hitters, some days will be winners. As long as at the end of the week, you're up. That's the main goal. As long as at the end of the week, you have a profitable week. Because from a micro point of view, you might win some trades, lose some trades. However, over the micro, which is like a week or a month, you're profitable. So that's what we want to pay attention to. And to do that, in order to do that, we have to stay disciplined on the day-to-days, that when we see our edge, or when we see that we have a good move coming up, we take it. You know what I'm saying? We use proper risk management. We don't try to we don't do anything outside of what we're supposed to be doing, and we hit it. You know what I'm saying? You leave your runner when you believe you have liquidity to take out or gaps to fill, and you take both of your entries out. You take both contracts when it's all right, it's nothing more for this move. Let me just get out with my 1-on-1s. That's cool, man. And we build from there. Listen, the only way we going is up. Very short and efficient video. Tune in. Let me know if you guys want to see what type of other videos, or if you guys want trading videos, or even psychology videos or mental videos on topics involving trading, or even topics that's not too much on trading but on your psychic and your mental, because it can very much improve how you view the markets, even in a win or a loss, or even how things bothering you from your life can be interrupting how you trade. So with that being said, a very efficient and effective video. Let me know what you guys think about this. Leave a like, a comment, share. Let me know what you're confused about, what you want to know more of, and let's do it, man. Let's just go up from here, man. It's the second quarter. we hitting home runs like we Babe Ruth. You know what I'm saying? Like scoring touchdowns like I'm Odell. You know what I'm saying? Dunking like I'm Jordan. So without being said, saucy day. David, take home, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.